Let us do easy DIY quick makeup in this video. So first of all, I'm just applying my moisturizer and primer. Make sure your face is clean. And then I went on with the foundation, and with the beauty blender I'm just tapping in. Then I went with the concealer. So the concealer just look exactly where I'm putting. It helps to lift and to brighten the face. So wherever there is dark, we just want to lighten. Then I went with the blush just like that, and I set with the setting powder, and then I put the 5 dots for the eyebrows, and I'm connecting them together. Guys, this is a very easy way to do your eyebrows. Then I went with the spoolie to blend. You can use a toothbrush. And right now I'm cleaning this eyebrow. I just want you to see what I have done. I use a flat brush with the concealer just to clean this eyebrow. Then after, I went to blend with a beauty sponge. Guys, you can achieve this for yourself. And then I went with the lip liner, black one, and red on the middle, just like that. And I went to prepare for my eyeshadow. I use concealer, and I use purple eyeshadow on the edges with the fluffy brush, just see. And I put the white powder after the purple one, just on the lid. Then I just blend it with an earthy powder, just like that. And I went with the black exactly on the waterline, and I made my wing liner. And then I use the mascara to clean. Guys, see how this makeup is popping. You can do this quick makeup for office, for church. Then I went with the lip gloss just to make my lips glowy. Look guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share.